Have you ever seen a plant that was blooming, then suddenly died one day for no reason? That's what was happening to my beautiful marigold plant. So, to know the reason, I took out my microscope and started investigating. From a distance, everything looked fine. But then I decided to look a little closer, a lot closer. I noticed these almost invisible, tiny little insects living on my plants rent-free. To the naked eye, they were barely there. Meet the culprits. These are not spiders, but they are related. What we're looking at are spider mites. You can see their 8 legs just like a spider, and their tiny bodies. Some of them are almost translucent, while others have a reddish or yellow tone. They are all over the plant, crawling over the leaf surface. They have also made spider-like web. This webbing is a sign of a serious infestation. They grow so rapidly. One day your plant is fine, and the next day it's gone. So how do these tiny creatures cause so much destruction? It's all in the way they eat. They have specialized mouthparts that pierce individual plant cells and suck out its contents, including chlorophyll, that gives the leaves their green color and is vital for photosynthesis. They are literally draining the life out of the plant. These white spots are known as stippling. These are feeding wounds caused by these tiny mites. As the damage spreads, the leaves can no longer produce the energy they need, and the plant begins to starve. By the time you notice any signs of damage to your plant, the damage was already done. Have you ever found something surprising in your garden? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, give this video a like and subscribe for more such content.